Alright, Matthew here with Off-Road Recovery, and today we're going to go over a Pole Pal land anchor system. Every time I use this I get lots and lots of questions, so let's go over them today. So this is the 11,000 original Pole Pal. It comes in two pieces. You got the main base, then you have the plow. On the main base you just flip it up, pull this up until it locks, and that's it. For the plow or spade attachment, you got a slotted system here and a slotted system here. Set this on there, slide it that way, take your lock, slide it up. Now it can't come off, you're ready to go. This small hole right here is if you want to put a small shackle and a chain to help get it out. I've never needed to do that. On this side of the land anchor, there's a spot you can put a hook. I prefer soft shackles, it's much easier to use. And then let's go stab it in the ground and show you how it works. So as you can see, it's not a small unit, and that's the biggest con with these, is they take up a lot of space. They do fold up, and I can fit it on the Gladiator. So let's go stab this in the ground and show you how to use it. Alright, so you stab the spade in the ground, make sure your soft shackle is facing forward. I like to give it a few good kicks to get it started. Get your winch cable hooked up. I like to hold it straight, start winching with your wireless remote. Then you see it will start digging down into the ground. The harder you pull, the farther in the ground it's going to go. And now it's dragging the rear tires of the Jeep. Now I'll share a clip from the other day. I was pulling somebody out of a sand pit, and we got stuck going up a sand pit. So I wasn't stuck, I could still back up and go forward, but I couldn't get enough momentum to get him over the hump of the sand pit. So we pulled out this land anchor here, and we pulled my truck with the kinetic rope hooked up and a full-size truck behind it. And you'll see the land anchor's much farther in ground. I'll share that clip here. The number one question I get asked about the land anchors: how do you get it out of the ground after you pulled it in the ground? Surprisingly, it's not that hard. I just grab the soft shackle on the end, pick it straight up, then I grab this end, shake the dirt off, and there you go. That is how you use a land anchor. Alright, so you just got done using the Pole Pal, how to take it apart and fold it up. Go to the bottom of the spade, pull that little lock we showed you earlier in the center, pull it down, flip it up, grab the pivot point right here, pull it up, fold that down, and then put it away.